Hi, this is Trish Luna D'Alva from TrishTalks.com, life coach extraordinaire. My life tip for you today is from Les Brown. This is one of the things that he teaches at all of his trainings. Whenever you're trying to learn something new, be coachable, practice, and be persistent. So be coachable. Learn from those who've done it before you. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Go out and buy some books, watch some videos, find a mentor, find a coach, find somebody that has walked the path before you, and they can help you along so you don't make beginner mistakes. You don't make all the mistakes they made. They can speed up your progress. The next one was practice. Anything worth doing is worth doing badly at first, right? If you heard that before, it's true. You don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great. So go out, get started, practice. Do it over and over again because you will get better every single time. And then lastly, be persistent. Don't give up. How many people learn to walk? Just about everybody, right? Because babies don't give up. They fall down, they try again. They fall down, they try again. Adults, we mess up a couple times. We don't want to do that anymore. We don't want to look bad. Well, go ahead because eventually you're going to look really good. So there you have it. Be coachable, practice, and be persistent. This is Trish Luna D'Alva from TrishTalks.com. And always remember, you are powerful.